morning, guys.
Morning, Mom.
How are you today? Are you fine?
Fine, Mom.
Of course, I know you are. And then, okay, as usual, before we start our meeting, let's pray together. Pray, start. Pray, finish. Who is absent today? Or are you complete class today?
Complete, Mom.
Okay, thanks God. I hope you stay healthy, guys, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, before we start our meeting, please be ready first. Be ready, guys.
Ready, Mom.
Okay. Today, we will learn a new material, namely curved solid material. For today, we will learn about the surface area of the tube. It is hope that today's meeting you can discuss and then you can work together so you can determine formula about surface area of the tube, and then you can determine the surface area of the tube, and then the last you can solve the contextual problem or daily problem using surface area of the tube concept. Okay?
Okay.
Before we start our meeting, I will ask several questions for you guys. Do you still remember the material board shape that we already learned before? Yeah. If you still remember, guys, can you mention how to find the area of the circle, please? Raise your hand. Yeah, Dinda?
The formula for the area of a cycle is PR squared.
Yeah, that's correct. Of course, to find the area of the circle, you can use the formula area of the circle equal to PR squared. PR is radius of the circle. Job, guys. And then, can you mention how to find the area of the rectangle? Please raise your hand. Okay, Maifa?
The area of rectangle is the same as the length times the width, Mom.
Okay, that's correct. You can find the area of the rectangle with the formula. The area of the rectangle equal to width of the rectangle times the length of the rectangle. Okay, guys, good job. Now, my next question is, I know, guys, maybe most of you ever get money maybe from your parents or from your grandpa or grandma or maybe from your others family member. And then my question is, when you get your extra money, do you ever save it? Do you ever save your extra money, guys?
Ever.
Oh, okay. That's good job. Now, when you ever save your extra money, where do you usually save it? Please give your opinion. Yes, Nadia?
I've been saving up until now using a piggy bank, Mom.
Oh, you save your money using a piggy bank? Oh, that's really good job. Okay, guys? And then when you usually save your money using piggy bank, where do you usually get your piggy bank? Please give your opinion. Yes, Adele?
I usually buy the
Piggy bank?
piggy bank.
Oh, yeah. You buy your piggy banks. Okay. I think there is a lot of shop or supermarket that they sell the piggy bank, and then of course you can buy the piggy bank from them. And then please the other opinion, where do you usually get your piggy bank, guys? Okay, Nadia?
I made it myself, Mom. When we were in class, we were given the task of making card. I made a piggy bank from cardboard and flannel.
Wow, you ever made your piggy bank by yourself, guys?
Yes, Mom.
That's a really good job. And then I will ask you, when you made your piggy bank, was there a math connection when you did it? When you made your piggy bank? Yeah, Dinda?
The shape of a piggy bank is like building space. Then when making a piggy bank with cardboard and flannel, we also have to calculate the paper needed.
Nah, that's correct, guys. There is the math connection when you making a piggy bank. Okay, now you must more know that mathematics actually very useful to solve the daily problem that you may be faced. Okay?
Yes.
So you must understand that mathematics actually useful for to help you in your daily life, guys. Okay? Now, for start our meeting today, you will have discussed, guys. You will have discussed about what strategy you will use when you are given a task of making a piggy bank. What is your strategy, guys, to make a really attractive piggy bank with a really minimum cost, of course? The attractive piggy bank means your piggy bank must not too small, not too high, not too big, or at least your piggy bank has an ideal size so your piggy bank easily placed in everywhere. Okay?
Okay.
We will discuss about it today. And then for it, I will divide you into several groups. For the first group, the member of the first group is Dinda. Where is Dinda? Okay. And then Adam. Okay. You are the first member, the first group member, guys. And then for the second group, the member for the second group is Maifa. And then Nadia. Okay. You are the second group member, guys. Now, for your discuss, I will give you the worksheet. Yeah, I will give you this worksheet. In this worksheet, there is a problem, and then please try to read it carefully and then try to solve it. If you already get your answer, please write your answer on the paper that I will give to you guys. After you read it, please present your result in front of the class. Okay?
Okay.
Now, your time to discuss just only 30 minutes. So, use your time well, guys. Okay?
Yes,
ma'am.
And then, for the discussion, for the reference, you can open your mathematics books on the pages 273 until 277. Okay, you can open it. Please. Now, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will give it to you, and then your discussion time can be start now, guys. Good luck, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first group, please share discussion, guys. Do you find any difficulties or do you have any question?
No, ma'am. We can understand the problem well.
Wow, good job, guys. Of course, you can understand the problem well. If you try to read it carefully and then you try to get the answer by discussing to your partner, of course you can understand the problem well. And then remember, you only have 10 minutes to discuss. If you already get your answer, please write down on a paper, and then I will see you guys when you have present your result. Please continue your discussion.
Yes, ma'am.
And then who's got the second group? Is your discussion? Do you find any difficulties or do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Oh, understand the problem well?
Yes, ma'am.
That's really good job, guys. Of course, you understand the problem well. If you try to write carefully and then you try to make a discussion with your partner, of course you can understand well. Remember, you only have 10 minutes to discuss. If you already get your answer, please write down on a paper. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And then I will see you when you are present your result. Please continue your discussion, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, the discussion time is already over. And then now it's time to present your result in front of the class. Is there any group want to present yourself first? Your result first? Yes? The second group want to present your result first?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please bring your result in front of the class. This is the result from the second group, guys. Please get attention. Okay, please explain your result to your friend.
Based on the problems that exist in the worksheet, we have to make a tube-shaped piggy bank from cardboard and lined with flannel with a base diameter of 7 until 15. So we choose a base diameter of 7 and a tube height of 30 centimeter.
Okay. Based on the problem in the worksheet, you must make a two piggy bank. So you choose the base is 7 centimeter and then the height of your piggy bank is 30 centimeter. Okay. Continue.
Because the cardboard has been provided, we immediately determine the area of flannel need to cut the cardboard. To determine it, we first look for the formula by calculating the area of the tube, which consists of two circles and a rectangular side, until we get the formula for the surface area in the tube that can be used to calculate total flannel we need.
Okay. To calculate the total flannel that you need for your piggy bank, you try to find the formula of surface area of the tube. Okay, that's correct. And then finally you get the flannel needed. Yeah, this is, guys. Okay.
After that, I calculate the need for flannel based on the formula that had been obtained. It turned out that flannel we need was 737 centimeters square.
Okay, this is the flannel needed for the second group piggy bank. Then, what about the cost?
Because we need 737 centimeters square of fabric, our group decided to buy a flannel measuring 30 centimeter times 30 centimeter at a price of 8,700 rupiah.
And then,
In addition, we also bought flannel size 25 centimeter times 25 centimeter for 6,000 rupiah.
okay,
As decoration material and bowl glue for 5,000 rupiah. So we get the cost that must be incurred, which is 90,700 rupiah.
oh, that's really correct. Good job to second group. You did well. You can solve the problem in a worksheet really well. You already can calculate the cost for your piggy bank with the total cost is 19,700 rupiah. What about the other groups? Is there any response from the other group? If you have a response, guys, please raise your hand. Okay, Tinda, you have any response?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please bring your result in front of the class and then please explain your result. Yeah. Okay, please, Maika, you can come to here. And then Dinda, please explain your result to your friends. What is the differences between your result and my first result?
We choose a different design size, ma'am. According to my group, the size of my file group is too small and too tall.
Oh, so you choose different size because you think that my first, size is too tall and too small. Okay, let's continue.
According to the group, we choose a size with a base diameter of 10 cm and piggy bank 15 cm high.
This is it.
Yes.
Okay, guys, please get attention. The first group try to choose the different design, which is not too tall, not too small, and not too big. Let's try to look the total cost of the first group. Yeah. Okay, let's continue.
After we determined the size, ma'am, we did the same step as my file group, which was to calculate the flannel needed to cut the cardboard. To determine it, we first look for the formula by calculating the area of the tube, which consists of two circles and a rectangular side. Until we get the
This is
yes.
okay.
Until we get the formula for the surface area of the tube that can be used to calculate the total flannel we need. After that, I can calculate the need for flannel based on the formula that had been obtained. It turned out the flannel we need was 628.6 centimeters square because 628.6 centimeters square of cloth is needed. Our group decided to buy flannel cloth measuring 26 times 26 centimeters at a price 6,500 rupiah.
Okay, stop. Because your group is the flannel needed for your piggy bank is 628.6 centimeters square, and then finally you choose to buy the flannel with the price 6,500 rupiah. Isn't correct?
In addition, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then continue, please.
In addition, we also bought flannel size 25 centimeter times 25 centimeter for 6,000 rupiah as decoration material and book glue for 5,000 rupiah. So we get the cost that must be incurred, which is 17,000 and 200 rupiah. 500 rupiah.
Oh, okay. I think your total cost is more cheaper than the second group.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the reason?
The result is that with the size we choose and with the right calculation, the cost of making craft is more minimal, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, the reason you think use the right size, so your total cost will be, cheaper than the second group. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys, good job. You already solved the problem in a worksheet, and then you did it very well. Good job, guys. Congratulations. Okay, guys, you already have your discussion time, and then you already present your result in front of the class, and then now I will ask some questions to you guys. Okay? Is there any connection between the problem in a worksheet and other science? Can you mention it, guys? Please raise your hand. Okay, Tinda?
Related to the economy and craft, Mom.
Oh, that's correct. What about the economy? How is the connection?
When we calculate the cost, Mom.
The cost you mean.
Cost,
Okay,
yes.
that's correct. And then guys, when you try to find a really ideal size for your piggy bank, you also need your craft skill, right? Is it correct?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. And then, what about the process, guys? How is your process when you are solving a problem? Okay, Nadia?
Earlier, we solved the problem by designing a piggy bank first and then determining the area of flannel needed, then determining the cost to be insured.
Yeah, that's correct. To solve the problem in a worksheet, first you must design your piggy bank, and then you calculate the flannel needed, and then for the last you calculate the cost needed. That's correct. And then what about the result, guys? Can you make a conclusion? Please raise your hand. Yeah, there.
When making the right 6 piggy bank and filling the right corner public needs, the cost of making piggy bank house will be minimum.
Okay, that's really correct, guys. When please look at when you look at the second group result and then first group result, there is a differences. When the first group choose the ideal size, then the cost will be minimum also. Okay, that is the conclusion about the problem in the worksheet. Okay, guys, you did a really good job. Now, so guys, today we already learned several new material. Can you mention what you have learned today, guys? Please raise your hand. Okay, Tinda?
Throughout the problem given to the worksheet, we understand the part of the tube, the formula for finding the surface area of the tube, determining the surface area of the tube, and solving conceptual problem using the concept of the tube surface area.
Okay, that's correct. Today we already learned about the formula, determining the formula of the surface area of the tube, and then determining the surface of the tube, and then the last is solving contextual problem or daily problem using surface area of the tube concept. Yeah, so today you already learned 3 new material. Congrats, guys. Now, how about the learning process? Have you enjoyed it or have you had it? Please give your opinion, guys. Okay, Maiva?
Excited, Mom, because we are trying to find out and solve problems that exist in worksheet by discussing, so we can exchange opinion.
Oh, yeah, if you enjoy it,
Yeah.
then we can learn by discussing in another meeting, guys. Okay. I think our meeting today is almost over. So for the next meeting, we will discuss about the tube volume. Please, before we have our next meeting, please learn by yourself about what is the tube volume, and then how is to find the tube volume. Please learn it by yourself first, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Okay, I think it's enough, guys, for today. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your participation. I hope you stay healthy. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.